How's it going, guys? Here's another little pickup video, little unboxing for everybody's enjoyment. Got my trusty wood carving knife. Little, really ain't I really don't know what's in this one. I got a couple of packages today, and one of them has some pretty cool wrapping material. There we go. Sega Genesis fighter stick. This is made by Asciiware. Got some look like turbo buttons here, speed buttons. Got a slow down button and some turbo. A Z button, off, on, and auto. Start and the mode button. The stick feels good. This don't have micro switches, but still feels real good. The button's real nice. Flip it over and it's a model 5720 from Asciiware Entertainment. Fighter stick SG6. Looks nice. Got a nice size cord on it. And as you can see, Genesis style. Alright, guys. I hope you enjoyed a look at the SG6 fighter stick. Peace out from Texas.